रेशम का लहंगा मेरा, रेशम का लहंगा, लहंगा है महंगा मेरा। बाप रे।
हाँ जी, वेलकम बैक। व्हाट्स अप? होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल। नहीं, मैंने खुद को इंट्रोड्यूस नहीं करवाया, सो लेट मी डू दैट अगेन। हेलो एवरीवन, वेलकम बैक टू माय यूट्यूब चैनल। होप यू ऑल आर डूइंग वेल and also in good health and wealth. If you're new to this channel, hi, my name is Sonali, and if you're old to this channel, well, you know who I am. And by the way कुछ नहीं है. Let's just get into the video क्योंकि literally 2 days ago, not 2 days ago, I think, yeah, 1 day ago, मैंने सोचा, बहुत टाइम हो गया है, मैंने तुम लोग से बातचीत नहीं किया, so let's do some sort of a Q&A where you guys will ask me questions related to career, life, friendships, relationships. It could be some unhinged questions, some chaotic, मसालेदार questions. But जब मैंने वो questions पढ़ा, I literally realized कि तुम लोग ने मुझे अपनी life का पूरा audit भेज दिया, like literal destruction. And I don't understand what kind of questions are these. मतलब क्या चल क्या रहा है तुम लोग की लाइफ में? बिकॉज बहुत सारे क्वेश्चंस पढ़ के मुझे तो थेरेपी की जरूरत है ही, बट सारे व्यूअर्स को भी थेरेपी की जरूरत पड़ेगी। आई जस्ट रियलाइज मैंने कैमरा थोड़ा बराबर एडजस्ट नहीं किया। इट हैज टू बी लाइक दैट। यहाँ पे इक्वल गैप, यहाँ पे इक्वल गैप, यहाँ पे इक्वल गैप, यहाँ पे इक्वल गैप। ओके, नाउ इट इज परफेक्ट। ऑल्सो बिफोर स्टार्टिंग दिस Q&A, आई जस्ट वांटेड टू थैंक यू ऑल, क्योंकि लास्ट वीडियो जो मैंने अपलोड किया था, दैट वाज अ वेरी पर्सनल वीडियो. आई मीन, आई हैव ऑलवेज बीन एन ओवर शेयरर व्हेन इट कम्स टू माय पर्सनल लाइफ, बिकॉज आई ऑलवेज फील लाइक whatever I went through, people can definitely learn and unlearn a lot from that. My friends always tell me कि यार ज़्यादा कुछ अपना लाइफ ओवर शेयर मत कर, out of concern, but मुझसे नहीं होता है। मेरे पेट में बात नहीं रहती, मैं बोल देती हूँ, ठीक है। And the comments, they were so sweet, so many shared things that they went through. Many of you guys could relate to it, and many of you guys were concerned कि भाई Sonali, what happened? Are you okay? To be honest, I'm not okay, but let me talk about that in some other video. But I'm trying to be okay every day, because life happens, shit happens. You can't just hold on to that and be like, oh my god, bichari mein. You have to get out of your bed and keep going. Okay, so the first question is, hi, I am in love with my mom's 49-year-old kitty party friend. I am 15. How to confess? Well, you can tell her that, hello auntie, I love you, and she will be like, beta, I used to change your diapers. What were you thinking before even asking me this question, or even before having these feelings? This is not love. If you think this is love, this is not love. This is boredom plus hormones plus access to good-looking aunties at kitty parties. And what do you think is going to happen once you confess? Your mom is going to homeschool you. She's going to keep you grounded, and तुमको बाहर की दुनिया का access नहीं मिलेगा. So please keep quiet. Right now, I just think you need to channel your feelings, your hormones towards girls of your age. Try finding love, attraction, whatever it is there, because this is not normal. मेरे को सच में लगा जब मैं वो क्वेश्चन बॉक्स मेरे स्टोरी में डाल रही हूँ, कुछ लाइट हार्टेड चिल क्वेश्चंस मिलेंगे यार, तो अलग लेवल के अतरंगी हो। आई एम नॉट इवन रेडी टू रीड दिस क्वेश्चन। मेरे को दिख रहे हैं वर्ड्स एंड आई एम नॉट प्रिपेयर्ड, बट स्टिल वी आर गोना डू इट। ओके फाइन। He cheated, got the girl pregnant, sent me the birth certificate, he named his daughter after me. What should I do? Well, the thing is that he named his daughter after you, so of course he loves you. He got that girl pregnant by mistake. It just accidentally happened, He was trying to put it somewhere else and किधर और उसने डाल दिया, and that's how that happened. Obviously he doesn't love her. He's just there with her because they have a baby together. But he loves you so much, इसलिए उसने तेरा नाम से उसकी बेबी को ये किया, right? That's true love. That's अंधा प्यार. What you should do? You should marry him. You should definitely marry him. You should date, marry, have beautiful babies with him, and be with him. And maybe he can get other girls pregnant, and he will keep naming them after you. So a win is a win. I'm sorry, I didn't want to be rude and sarcastic, but गधी क्या कर रही है तू भाई? क्या है ये? What should I do? क्या question है? तुझे पता है what you have to do? You have to block. You have to cut him out of his life. He's trying to get a reaction by doing all these things, and such people, they just want access to multiple people. Okay, they can never settle for one person. Just shh. My boyfriend pours alcohol on me and chases me with a lighter as a joke. He loves me though. What to do? What to do? मतलब क्या है? This is a joke or what? Okay, listen. Okay, you know what? You do know this is dangerous, right? This is not funny. I don't know what kind of a joke it is. तुम लोग क्या बच्चे हो क्या भाई? क्या है? कितना एज है तुम लोग का? ये सब क्या कर रहे हो तुम लोग? This is not needed. And I'll tell you, you say that he loves me though. No, he doesn't love you. Even if this is a joke, this is not funny. This is dangerous. दारू वारू डाल के लाइटर, क्या भाई तुम्हें पागल वागल हो क्या? सी आई विल टेल यू वन सिंपल थिंग, गेट दिस स्ट्रेट इन योर हेड एंड डू एग्जैक्टली व्हाट आई से, लीव, जस्ट लीव, नो नीड टू एक्सप्लेन ऑल्सो, नो बी लाइक ओह ही इज अ नाइस गाय, नो ही इज नॉट अ नाइस गाय, ये सब बकचोदी कौन करता है भाई, छूती होती हो गए तुम लोग, कोई जरूरत नहीं, जस्ट लीव, बाउंड्री है, तेल लेने के लिए कुछ समझाने की जरूरत नहीं, बच्चा नहीं हो, माँ के पेट से सीख के आया है वो, ठीक है, कुछ समझाने की जरूरत है, जस्ट लीव, दिस इज व्हाट इज दिस, you know, love has to make you feel like you're getting those butterflies, it should not make you feel like you need a fire extinguisher, I mean this is dangerous, just leave, dafa ho jao. At this point I just feel like I need a water break, so I'll just be back because I'm back now. I feel good. I feel hydrated. I hope even you took some break. Pause करके. Okay. Now let's move on because I don't know what is happening. What are these questions? तुम लोग फिर की नहीं ले रहे हो ना मेरा? Please ऐसा मत करना वरना next time मैं ये पूछने वाली हूँ, ठीक है? चलो. Next question is, my boyfriend and I had a fight, so I threw away his Aadhaar card and PAN card. I love you. Whoever this is, I love this is too. Okay, let me continue. I'm sorry. One second, मेरा बाल बिखरा हो गया. एक तो पहले ही this wavy hair ना सीधा बैठता नहीं. I'm sorry. That was not professional. He is looking for them right now. Should I tell him? No. Don't tell him. Bhai, this is such a good idea. People, you have to take notes. This is so good. Imagine, this is the best revenge. This is so petty. I love this level of pettiness. I mean, you don't have to tell him, okay? It's okay. See, right now what you did, instead of wasting your energy on him, crying or, you know, doing all those things, you actually, you know, kind of mit out his existence, because without his Aadhaar and PAN card, he doesn't even exist. Obviously, वो नया बना सकते हैं, but that is going to take hell lot of time. So this is good. This is too good. You don't have to do anything. Don't confess. This is good. Next time, I think deep down he knows कि तुमने कुछ कांड किया है, but you don't have to tell him. You know, next time he will not fight with you. Salute. Moving on. I faked my own death to get out of a situationship. She came to my house to confirm. I answered the door. We haven't spoken about it. It's been 2 weeks. We are still in the situationship. Was this a question or are you just telling me what kind of an achievement this is? Because अच्छा तो एक बात बता, जब वो तेरे घर पे आई and you answered the door, what did you tell her? That I died but then I felt better, so I came back alive, and then she was like, okay fine, it's good to have you back, let's continue. तुम लोगों ने कुछ conversation नहीं किया, you are still in the situationship. This situationship is stronger than your will to live. I mean, this is a life sentence. I don't understand why would you do that though? You can just tell her, right, I can't do this anymore, and you can discontinue. ये सब death with fake करने का क्या जरूरत है? This reminds me of this character from Friends, Ross. I think Ross had done that. He had faked his own death. Why would you do that? चलो आगे बढ़ते हैं. Next question. I have been secretly learning my crush's mother tongue so I can impress him. I am now fluent in Malayalam. He moved to Canada 6 months ago. I still practice daily. What should I do? So he doesn't know abhi tak that you are fluent in his language. Now the thing is, I have a best friend who is Malayali, and let me tell you, Malayalam, that language, it has its own script, its own grammar, its own everything. It is very difficult to understand, okay? And the fact that you practice and you learn fluent Malayalam for him, that means you are madly in love with him, and he doesn't know that yet. This man, he has moved to a different continent, he's in a different time zone, and he has no idea that you have learned Malayalam for him. So what should you do? You should confess. You should obviously tell him what you feel, and if he feels the same, you all can speak in Malayali आगे जाके. If not, it's still not a loss, okay? Because you can apply for a job in Kerala, you can make Malayali friends, or you can watch Malayalam cinema. It is incredible, by the way. Okay, last question, because इसके बाद मुझे energy नहीं है, because these questions were very interesting, okay? So I cheated on my girlfriend with her twin sister. The twin feels guilty and told her. Now both sisters aren't talking to each other. What to do? Don't do anything, okay? Disappear. Get the fuck out of their lives, because you and that twin, you both already did damage to their other twin sister. मतलब क्या फेटिश है ये, ठीक है? You already had one sister, right? You were happy with her. Why you want to try the other one? I don't understand. Like, and मेरे को पता ही था ऐसे ही होते हो कि whenever you mess with one sister and you're dating the other sister, that sister will feel guilty and she'll go and tell कि हाँ तुमको पता है क्या हो गया बहन, मैंने ना तुम्हारे को ऐसे से किया, and eventually the sister will forgive her because sisters, okay, but she's not gonna forgive you because she shouldn't, okay? So please get the fuck out of their lives. Don't do any further damage. And the thing is now, you are gonna be the topic of discussion now, okay? Whenever they seek therapy or you know when they meet other friends or colleagues, you are gonna be the red flag, okay? Because they're gonna, you know, they're gonna like patch up. They're sisters, they're gonna patch up, but she is not going to forgive you because she shouldn't. बहन का भी गलती है but तेरा भी गलती है चूतिए. Okay, so that's it for today's video. Okay, I feel like I am like I don't know, मुझे बहुत कुछ feel हो रहा है, तुम लोग ने मुझे बहुत कुछ feel करवाया. I was scared. I laughed my heart out after ages. I'm also disgusted. I'm shocked. So I don't know. If you want a part 2, send me more questions in my DMs or you know comments में नीचे डाल दो questions. मेरे therapy के bills बढ़ने वाले हैं, but it's okay, you know. Fun is fun. And yeah, let me know which part of the question you could relate to, because I'm pretty sure you did relate to some of these questions, or any question that you found shocking, disgusting. Let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for watching this video. Now I will go to sleep because I don't know what else to do, or maybe I will just edit this video. Yeah. Yes, I will see you again in the next video. Bye bye.